Well, here we go, folks. Welcome back. Here we got the old trailer painted up and took the masking off. Everything looks good. Shiny. That's the side. Now, let's start the decals. So this jolly old fat guy is going to sit over here. Going to wrap it around there. Then we're going to take one of these Coca-Cola signs and slap it on right there, just like so. With this fat guy sitting there somewhere. I think that goes on the back, not sure. Yep, that guy goes on the back. That's why I closed the gates down. And once we start the decaling, I'll get back to you guys and we'll show you how that's going. Well guys, welcome back to the Banter Gilly. So far we're getting decals going. That's where I left you off last time. See, I'll zoom you guys in here. She kind of cracked up on me. See that line right there. I kind of got most of it together, but the thing was so big. The more I moved it, the more she wanted to crack. We got some bits right there and a couple of bits here. Where's my finger? And some over here. So yeah, we'll continue with this and then I'll show you guys the rest when we come to the ending here. Hey guys, here's a quick look at the truck and trailer. And later on, towards the end here, I will be doing a quick review on both, letting you know the ups and downs of it. And there's a jolly old fat guy. As you notice, there's only one decal on and I'm missing a couple of the other letterings. There's a reason to that, and again, I'll let you know later on in the talks. So far, here's a quick look at how it's looking. And there we go. Yep. Catch you in the review. Well guys, welcome back. Here I'm starting the decals. You can see they're pretty big. I applied this one and she kind of cracked up on me. So if you guys ever get this kit, please remember, get a nice couple thin layer coats of Future over top, and that way it'll hold most of the decal in without cracking on you. I got lucky and managed to get it down. With minimal cracking, so just so you guys know, spray your decals with Future before applying. Let them sit for a couple days so it has time to cure, and that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I got the one down so far. As you can see there, she's not bad. I'm going to show the guys on the stream right now. There we go. Next, we're going to be adding the Coca-Cola sign here. The Coke sign. Everything's right here. You can see right there. Sign on the front. And a jolly old fat guy on the back with the gates. Okay. Be back moment. Alright peeps, once you get everything down and flooded, whatever you do, don't be playing with it too much, as these things are so thin and brittle. The more you play with it, the more it's going to crack. Sounds like frickin' a bag of chips when you crinkle it all up. So either just flood it with your Microsol or your Tamiya Fit and just let it dry. Okay. Move on, we'll get the other ones done and we'll finish this video up. Catch you guys later. Hey guys, as you can see, I finally got the thing down. So she's a very delicate decal. I just managed to get her right up there, started it off and slid her off slowly with the help of one of my dollar store foam sponges. I just flooded the whole surface so everything just slid right off and slid into place. Now we're just going to feel everything down. I lined up all the cracks, so we should be good there. I'm just going to go with as it is. And we'll move all the excess with the foam brush. And take a paper cloth. Just tap it down. And this will help you as it's your, basically we're just going to remove all the excess. This is basically what this paper towel is doing, as we usually do with a Q-tip or cotton bud. And just like that. Mind you, I poured down my microsol. Then we'll do the set after that. Slowly peel that away. And I see we got a little repair to do. It's not bad, she stayed down pretty good. Just this one here. Thank God it's a little piece. Perfect. And just like that, we managed to get it down. We'll zoom you in here. See the cracks? Lined up as much as we could. And that's where we sit. I'll let this one dry and we'll start off with the other ones. So, it's a jolly old fat guy and cheapest pop drink ever. Fucking decals don't even stay together. Guys, here you're gonna watch me do this one decal here. This is the big old jolly fat guy. First I'm gonna flood the kit. Seems like no matter what I'm doing, I'm glad to say it's not a modeler's fault. So we're gonna take this whole thing, dip it in. You guys that off to the side here. It's in. And sorry, I'm not quietly prepared for this, but we'll take it out and let it sit flat before it starts cracking. So, I move you from the stand. Right now I just dipped it in. It wasn't even like 30 seconds. We're just going to let it lay flat here on the paper. Because once she starts curling, she's going to start cracking. So I laid it flat down. And I'll put you back up on the stand. I'll zoom you guys in just a bit here so you can see what I'm doing. Again, reflood that. And voila. As you can see, she cracked. See the big blue line going across, then some on the side. These things are so goddamn brittle. No matter what you do with them. It's just horrible. Horrible decal. So I'm going to pause it right here, and I don't want to see you guys listen to me curse and all that, so be right back. Right, so far we got part of it down. I'm losing one little decal here. I'm just going to slowly slide it out, save it to the side. We're going to keep flooding this decal. And hopefully we can slide it all off together in one shot. Like, this is the best way I can show you guys. And just dip that over, make sure that's there, that's on the line, that's there. Line up your decal right where you want it. And we'll slowly lift it. And we'll, oh, 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 oh. Remember not to play with it too much, because she is very brittle. So we'll just flood this up a little more. Let it all drip down underneath. Like, they're beautiful decals, but they are so freaking brittle. And slowly just slide it down. Perfect. We got that part reflooded, so we can position it right. Grab my little spare decal here, my piece, and I'll slowly slide that puppy in. But don't worry about that, we can fix all that. First we just want to get all the water underneath. This is why we do videos, so we can show people how we did things. And oh, see, just touching that, it already cracked up on me. So I'm gonna have to get some more water. We'll put some here, hopefully get it shoved in there. Like, these are very delicate. I'm probably breaking the other side right now because I'm touching this. Oof, great. Oh, you bugger. Work with me here. Work with me. Okay, get off me. Get off me. See, I want you guys to see the struggle I'm having, so you guys know what you're getting into when you build this yourselves. Alrighty. Right now, I'll borrow one of these sheets. See if I can lift it up and then move it. Don't break it too much, because I just want to move it over just a smidge here. Like, they're so soft and brittle. Okay, good, we're good, we're good. I just want to lift that, line that up. Okay, we got the main part done. Good. We'll get underneath this guy. And we'll go from this way now. And voila! That's as close as I'm going to get it, so that's where I'm going to leave it. And now that you guys seen that part, you guys seen what I did before earlier. Paper towel, lay it over, and Bob's your uncle. Hey guys, as you can see, I finally got the thing down. So she's a very delicate decal. I just managed to get her right up there, started it off, and slid her off slowly. With the help of one of my dollar store foam sponges. I just flooded the whole surface so everything just slid right off and slid into place. Now we're just going to feel everything down. I lined up all the cracks, so we should be good there. I'm just going to go with as it is. And we'll move all the excess with the foam brush. And we'll take a paper cloth. Just tap it down. And this will help you as it's your... Basically, we're just going to remove all the excess. This is basically what this paper towel is doing, as we usually do with a Q-tip or cotton bud. And just like that. Mind you, I poured down my microsol. Then we'll do the set after that. Slowly peel that away. And I see we got a little repair to do. It's not bad, she stayed down pretty good. Just this one here. Thank God it's a little piece. Perfect. And just like that, we managed to get it down. We'll zoom you in here. See the cracks? Lined up as much as we could. And that's where we sit. I'll let this one dry and we'll start off with the other ones. So, it's a jolly old fat guy and cheapest pop drink ever. Fucking decals don't even stay together. Well, so far we're not having too much luck with these decals. As you can see, I just put this in not even 2 minutes and brought it out. She is cracking on me. Zoom you in there. You can see there's some right here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. So that's going to be interesting, trying to get this all down lined up. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is, right? Okay, be back when I get this done.